Hey everyone, welcome to Email Marketing. I thought I'd just take a moment to introduce myself so you could kind of put a face with my name, and I just wanted to go over a few things that we'll be doing in class to kind of help us get started. So this is what you should see when you open your Blackboard. It'll automatically open to your course content. This is where we'll be doing the meat of the class. So I'll just give you a quick rundown of where things are and talk about a couple of things to get us going. Okay, so over here on the left side, just like any Blackboard, these are your main tabs. So your announcements, your start here. This is where you will find your syllabus, your course schedule, also your course agreement test. So make sure you check that syllabus out and take that course agreement test this week. It's acknowledging and agree with the syllabus. We will be using Remind in this class. I sent you an email earlier today, but here you will find the information for that, and that I will just send you weekly reminders of due dates and important stuff like that. And then here you'll find more information about me and the faculty information. Under the course materials, under course content, this will be the meat of our class as far as what we'll be doing. It will direct you to Stukent, which I will talk about in a minute. Here's your textbook. Once again, this is your, we will be using Stukent, and it's an ebook. It's all digital. Since this is digital marketing class, this program is all digital, so you can easily access it there. I have a tab here with some additional, and I've only put one thing in there so far, but this is where I'm going to add additional email marketing sources that I think would be useful for y'all. And then here is my grades. Now, I don't have any grades because I'm not a student, but that's where you'll find that. And then if you need to shoot me an email at any point in time and you can't remember my email address or you're already in Blackboard, you can just click this link right here and hit send email, and that will take you send you to my email. But to get us started, you'll see this link at the top of your course content. Now, in your shell, all you see is this. This is all hidden from you, but in your student, this is what you'll see. So to get started, you're going to click on this link right here, and I wanted to show you this because it could be an issue. So when you click on Stukent, it will take you to sign up. So there's two parts. There's a book, and then there's a simulation piece that we'll be doing. So when you click on that link, you will see this right here. Mimic right here is the simulation piece that we'll be doing, and we will not be doing that until a little bit later in the semester. Edify is the actual textbook. But there's supposed to be a link here when you click, and right now in this view you don't see it, and apparently this is an issue with Blackboard. But if you zoom out just a little bit, so if you're on a PC, it should be Control in the minus side. If you're on a Mac, it should be Command. So I'm going to zoom out, and when I do that, you see that blue Open Stukent link comes up. That is what you're going to click. Okay, so when you click that, it will take you to a screen. Now mine is going to look a little different because I have an instructor view and I'm already in Stukent. But it'll take you to a screen, so just ignore that. I'm going to go ahead and get out. But it'll take you to a screen where you should be able to register. You have two options. If you bought an access code in the bookstore, this is where you will put it in when it takes you. Or if you're going to purchase it directly from Stukent, which is actually cheaper. I don't know exactly how much. Last semester for my social media class, it was about $50 cheaper because they mark it up. So if you bought directly from Stukent, you can just use a card and do it there. So this is where you'll do that. Once you're registered, it'll take you straight to the class. That is how you kind of get started using the book. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you because we were having that issue with the link, and now that I've zoomed out, everything looks really small. But I'm going to make a separate video. I want y'all to kind of feel your way through Stukent and kind of get used to the chapters. There's only 10 chapters, so we're going to do one every week, and then the last 4 weeks of class we're going to work just in the simulations, and I'm going to do a separate video showing you a little bit more in Stukent. I just kind of wanted this to introduce myself, and I wanted you to kind of feel your way around Blackboard. But anyways, if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out, and I will be chatting with everyone soon.